Hi there, everybody. This is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolé, Gabrielle, we want to welcome you to Sundays Live. Thank you so much for joining us. And John is going to tell us what we have in store.
Yes, thank you, Jolé. Yeah, it's going to be exciting. We are again pressing the button in terms of what we're expecting coming up in 2024 and beyond. And again, this is not to worry people. This is actually to create a state of preparedness and also a state of action, because we are far from helpless in what is about to unfold. And I'm very conscious of the fact that a lot of people will kind of regard this as a little bit out there right now, not expecting anything incredible to happen. But for my part, what I'm seeing, and Jolé as well, we're seeing so much evidence from people and the likes that we know and admire, and they are seers, if you like. And Jolé, yourself, right? I mean, we do these CE5 type meditations where we look into the future. And I know that a lot of the stuff that you come back with is totally in alignment with this as well, Jolé. That's right, isn't it?
Yes, yes. There's some interesting energy coming up. And if you're following along with not only the weather, but what's going on in the world and also in people's lives and day to day, it's very interesting how the energy is turning over. So it's not only you. So that's why we say get your spirituality cup filled and also have a support system around you that reinforces the positive, joyful energy in your life.
Yes. And that's where we come in.
That's correct.
Positive and joyful, because this is what it's really all about. Because the more elevated your emotions are as we go into this, with an understanding that there is no requirement to drop into fear, and that we have a lot more control than we realize. We are a lot more powerful. And it's kind of, this is the whole point, is trying to get everybody to step into their own power and realize that they have this choice.
So what we're going to do in this meditation is remove judgment and fill up with curiosity. And we're going to do it from a heart-centered space. So whenever you find yourself in a sticky situation emotionally, and she spoke about moving those emotions out and moving something better in, I'm going to teach you how to do that in real time. So what you want to do is always, you want to keep those feet flat on the ground so that no matter what floor you're on, it doesn't matter where you are in the grand scheme of things, you're going to connect with the energy of Mother Earth. And because you're human, so put your feet flat on the ground, your palms face up on your thighs, sit in a comfortable position, those of you laying down, keep your feet flat for the beginning part of the meditation. As you begin to breathe with the rhythm of your body, we're going to take a deep breath in and exhale. As you command your higher self to sit at a comfortable distance above your head, you unravel your grounding cord and you root yourself into the core of Mother Earth. As you pull your aura in 1.5 feet around you and you snap your astral body in, this is all your soul architecture. Command it to happen. Now you are fully ready to communicate with spirit. Take a deep breath in, exhale, bring your awareness to the center of your chest as you operate from this space. Open your feet, your hands, and your crown chakras like you would the lens of a camera. And as you ground your energy, you are not already, and you make sure your grounding cord is 6 inches in diameter and connected to your first chakra, which are right there between your sit bones. You're going to call in 15% earth energy to pull into your feet, the bottoms of your feet, in a color that resonates with you. Blue, green for healing and peace and calm, red for motivation, yellow for personal power. Green is also love, all of the colors of the rainbow, whatever you want. As it pulls in your feet, comes up the side channels of your legs, You open that crown and allow for 85% cosmic gold, etheric energy to cascade down through your body, meeting with that first chakra, earth energy, and then just filling you up like water fills up a cup. Let this happen. Move out any disease, any illness, any stress, any issues. And from a heart-centered space, what we're going to do is we're going to create, visualize, and imagine opening up a trap door at the bottom of our heart, which connects to that grounding cord. And we're going to remove any judgment that is in our heart. And all of the judgment that's in our body is going to be attracted to this area. And it's going to just flush down our grounding cord. And as we move this energy of judgment out of our bodies and into Mother Earth, we watch this take place while simultaneously a gold sun is created above our head. And a picture of curiosity is above it, coming straight from the Creator. And it's beginning to fill up this golden sun with divine curiosity as we remove this criticism and judgment from our heart and from all of the cells in our body, moving towards the center of us and moving down and out that grounding cord as we watch this energy be flushed down into the center of Mother Earth, turning into positive creative life force energy for anyone to use as that golden sun above our head gets filled up and expands with curiosity. And when you're ready and you feel like all of that energy of judgment and criticism has moved out of your body, I want you to begin to bring that golden sun down into your crown, down into your body, and let it just open up and burst, if you will, and allow for all that curiosity to fill up your heart and mind and move into all of those cells that release that judgment, filling you up with beautiful, golden, divine curiosity so that you move with self-love and an unconditional, joyful energy. And you spread that out, not only throughout your own energy and body, but to your fellow man and into your environment. Straight from divine life force energy. As you take a deep breath in, you exhale. I'd like for you to please close your feet, hands, and crown chakras like you would the lens of the camera. Mix in any of that energy. Make sure you're still grounded and rooted into Mother Earth with the grounding cord that is connected to your first chakra between your sit bones, 6 inches in diameter, knowing your higher self sits above you at a comfortable distance. Your astral body is snapped in and your aura is 1.5 feet around you. As you take a deep breath in and know that all of the cells of your body are heart-shaped. As you sit in unspeakable beauty and you send that unconditional joy out into your environment. Take a deep breath in, exhale, and when you are ready, you can open your eyes.
Thank you, Jolé. Yeah, that was nice. And it's nice again to finish on the note of unspeakable beauty, because that's basically where we're heading.